Hello dear students, today I have brought one more science topic for you all, and that's parts of a leaf. Look at this leaf. Is it beautiful? Yes. What is the color of this leaf?
Green.
Yes, very good. This is green in color. So students, this leaf is called food factory of a plant. Leaf is also called food factory of a plant because this leaf prepared food for the plant. And these leaves are also known as kitchen of the plant because in kitchen we prepare food. Similarly, in leaves, food is prepared for the plant. So, leaves are called, as I told you, ये जो लीव्स होते हैं बच्चों, ये फूड फैक्ट्री होता है प्लांट का, इसको हम फूड फैक्ट्री कहते हैं। जिस प्रकार फूड फैक्ट्री में फूड बनाया जाता है, उसी प्रकार लीव्स फूड बनाती हैं। लीव्स को हम किचन ऑफ द प्लांट भी कहते हैं बिकॉज वी प्रिपेयर फूड इन द किचन। सिमिलरली इन द लीव्स food is prepared. That's why this leaf is also known as kitchen of the plant. Now, I'll tell you different parts of the leaves. Okay? So, this flat part, green part, this flat and green part, this one. This flat and green part is called leaf blade.
Yes.
And it is also called lamina.
Yes.
So this flat and green part, this flat and green part is called leaf blade and lamina. ये हरे रंग का जो ये फ्लैट पार्ट है, इसको हम लीफ ब्लेड भी कहते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, और हम इसको लैमिना भी कहते हैं. Now, the main vein which run across the middle of the leaf. बिल्कुल मिडिल में ये जो मेन वेन है, ये बीच वाली, ये जो मिडिल ऑफ द लीफ में जो ये मेन वेन है, इसको कहते हैं मिड रिब. मिड रिब. लुक हियर. सो दिस वेन which starts from the bottom and connects up to the tip, this main is called midrib. Main vein is called midrib, like this. In this leaf, so in this leaf, this is midrib. Sorry, in this leaf, this is midrib. It is running in the middle of the plant. Now, next one. So, this tip of this leaf is called leaf apex. Look here. Tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. So, this one. Tip of the leaf. This tip of the leaf. Tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. Now, this part which join the leaf with the branch is called petiole. This part which join leaf with the branch is called petiole. Stalk also. ये पार्ट जो पत्ते को टहनी से जोड़ता है, हम इसको स्टॉक कहते हैं या petiole कहते हैं. Look at the blackboard. This part, for example, here is the branch. So this part which connect leaf and branch is called petiole or stalk. Now, these small veins, network of veins are also there. Small veins are also there. Next, these are called veins. These are called veins.
Yes.
Right? These are called veins. Next, the leaf has chlorophyll as well. That is why this leaf appears green in color. Every leaf which is green in color has green pigment called chlorophyll. Green pigment called chlorophyll. जितने भी पत्ते होते हैं, इनका हरा रंग इसीलिए होता है क्योंकि इनके अंदर एक ग्रीन पिगमेंट होता है जिसको हम क्लोरोफिल कहते हैं. उसके वजह से ये जो लीव्स हैं ये ग्रीन कलर की होती है. नेक्स्ट, देयर आर टाइनी ओपनिंग्स ऑन द लोअर साइड ऑफ अ लीफ, नॉट ऑन द अपर साइड. स्टोमेटा अपर साइड में नहीं होते. Stomatas are on the lower side of a leaf. Now, so small openings on the lower side of a leaf here. Small openings on the lower side of a leaf are called stomata. Stomata. So these stomatas are used for exchange of gases. For example, trees take oxygen and release trees take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So how do these things take place? It is done with the help of stomata. Stomata की मदद से ये होता है जो कि लीफ के लोअर साइड में है. और स्टोमेटा क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स ऑन द लोअर साइड ऑफ अ लीफ. लीफ के लोअर साइड में जो स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स होते हैं उनको हम स्टोमेटा कहते हैं. सो लुक एट द ब्लैक बोर्ड. लीफ इज कॉल्ड food factory of the plants. It is also called kitchen of the plants. Leaves are green, yellow, red in color, but usually leaves are green due to chlorophyll. मैंने आपको बताया क्लोरोफिल की वजह से ऑलमोस्ट जो पत्ते हैं वो ग्रीन कलर के होते हैं. Now leaf blade, this flat and green part also known as lamina. Leaf apex, this one tip of the leaf. Petiole, the stalk which connect the leaf with the branch. Petiole. Midrib, main vein running across the leaf. Main vein, that is called midrib. Small tubes. Small tubes are present inside the veins and midrib. It is not visible by our naked eyes, and these carry food and water to different parts of plant. Food and water to different parts of plant. So these are small tubes which is present in midrib and veins, but not visible by our naked eyes, right? Chlorophyll, green pigment present in the leaves, which gives green color to the leaves. So green pigment in the plants. Stomata, small openings on the lower side of a leaf. Stomata helps in exchange of gases. लीफ के लोअर साइड में जो स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स हैं उनको स्टोमेटा कहते हैं. स्टोमेटास की मदद से प्लांट CO2 अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब करता है और हमको ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करता है, और ये होता है स्टोमेटा की मदद से. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दीज आर वेरी इजी नोट्स, इजी लैंग्वेज में है. सो आज हमने पढ़ा पार्ट्स ऑफ अ लीफ. आई होप आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू.